Hi everyone, it's Chelsea Bells. Today I'm going to do a February unboxing of my Boxycharm. I have not opened it yet. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription box. They send you 4 to 5 full-size products. I've never had 4, I've always gotten 5. And it is only $21 a month. It is actually my favorite. And let's get it open. Okay, so when you first open the box, you will have this. No, I don't want to show you everything. So they give you a card. This month's theme, because they always have a theme every month, is Afterglow. And on here, it gives you all of the products in it and their price. I'm excited. Okay. So the first product I see here is this. This is a magnetic luminous eye color. This is in the color copper foil. I'm a sucker for bronzes and coppers, anything gold. This retails for $24. And like I said before, it is full-sized. So I'm just going to open it up if I can and do a little swatch for you. I don't know why it's all the way up like that. Is it supposed to be? No, it's not. Okay. Well, we'll push it back down. This is the color. Copper foil. And we'll do a swatch. Wow, that is really pretty. And it's very creamy. I like it a lot. Beautiful. Next product is No Poreblem primer. No Poreblem primer. No Poreblem. No problem. That is a really cute play of words. A smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. I'm kind of excited for this. It's by Touch in Soul. I have very large pores on my nose, so this would be very handy to have. I normally use the Poreless by e.l.f. This right here retails for $18, and like I said, it is full size. I actually want to smell it too. I don't know what it smells like. Kind of like a conditioner. Up is Sol de Janeiro. I don't speak Spanish. This is their Coco Cabana cream. Very cute. It's Moisture Magnetic Oil in Water Body Cream. Oh my god, I can smell it already. An instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. Let's open it up. It smells delicious. I can smell it already. Open it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to just take a little bit off of there. Put that back on. That smells like, I don't even know, like a cookie. Like I could almost eat it. I'm going to put some on my hand, I guess. Oh, it is a little watery, but it soaks in and my hands feel very moisturized already. Oh, what does it say? It has 72 hours of moisture. The scent is blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut. Blended and fermented sugar, nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture up to 72 hours. Deliciously scented with their Cheirosa 39 fragrance. With mouth-watering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. This retails for $20 and is also full-sized. They're all full-sized. Next up is Pretty Vulgar Bronzer. This is an adorable package. I'm not going to lie though, it does feel really cheap because it's like really light. Physician Formula, they do a lot of cute packaging, but their packaging feels a lot heavier than this. I do use Pretty Vulgar settings powder on my face, and I do like it. So this is The inside, this is color Bronze Mannequin. Bronze B. This retails for $32. The last thing we have is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. If it really is. Doubt it. Okay. I've heard a lot of things about this. A lot of people swear by it. This retails for $24. Now, if I do the math, altogether comes to $118, and it's only a $21 box. So that's like amazing. That's more than like 5 times the amount, right? I mean, 21 times 5. Yeah, that's more than 5 times of what you paid that you just got back in the box. That's why I love Boxycharm. So, if you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below. Your value is over $100, only for $21, which is a killer deal. Don't forget to like and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe down below. Bye.